Hello, welcome back to my channel. So this is Rudra. I hope you guys doing very well. So in this video, we'll cover one part of the ServiceNow that is very famous and mostly used things in ServiceNow. So we'll do the load the data from the Excel sheet using the import sets, and we will move those data to a ServiceNow table. Okay, so those simple things we'll do it, and we have one Excel sheet that is containing asset tag and serial number, and we mostly store the data in the asset table in that is in ServiceNow. It's a default table, ALM underscore asset. That's a table name. So we will store data in this table from this Excel. So what should I do for that? So first you just go to the application navigator, search with data source in inside the system import sets. Just click with data source. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to create a new data source for it. Just click on the create new. Just let me give some name like load asset, whatever name you can do. That's application is global by default, but you can choose your application as accordingly, like how you set it. So you can create the import sets table. Otherwise, you can use any existing import set table. Let me just create one import set table so that if you give the new import set name, so automatically it will be creating for you that table. Okay. So let me give that name like u underscore. You can give any name. Like let me just give some relevant name u underscore uh, asset. Just type some name like home asset. So I just give the name. So file type you can choose the file type, and it can be anything like sorry, type is can be anything like it's a file, or type is mostly the data source from which source data is coming to the service now. You can choose file, JDBC for the database, LDAP for Windows, REST integration hub, anything you can choose by custom, by load the script, you can choose by anything. For as of now, for this case, I am going to select the file, and file type is file format is different format is available: CSV, custom, XML, JSON. I just select Excel as of now. I will select first row, second row, and header is one and one. Okay, and type is attachment. Yeah. So what I have to do is I have to submit this. Just save it. Now it's being saved. You can just put some label. For example, I'll just give name is home asset. And what I have to do is I have to let me just save it with the home asset. Then I have to attach the Excel file into it. So what I have to do is I have to choose file here, and that file is on desktop. That's asset. Select. Now the asset is file is being stored. So if you can see there's a transform, right? Transform is basically it is a bridge between the staging table, that is the import sets table, to the main table. That main table is ALM asset table. Okay, so that is the bridge between. So what we have to do is we have to map the fields of those uh, list of that Excel and to the database, to the ServiceNow table. Okay, so let's just test it. Okay, test load 20 records. Click on that. So it is just running it. See, you can see the import sets has been loaded. It's the next step. So next step is you can see the imports. It's just import set table is home asset, and this is a iset number where the data is getting stored in the staging table. So that go to you know create. Go to the click on create transform map. Okay, just click on that. Click on create transfer map, so it is redirecting to the page, redirecting to the page, this page. You can just create let me create like a transform asset. The source table is the table which we have created for the import set table, and target table we can select. I just select ALM underscore asset. You can see that is the table we just select, and rest of field things, if you want to scripting or if you want to some do some put some logic, you can use the script as well. So as of now we don't have to put that. So let me save it. See, you can see then there is a mapping assist. So you can, if you click on that, so it will allow you to you know create the field maps to the table. So for example, if you that mapping asset is like that. So if you go to go to the field map and click on new. So if you just select the field name as asset tag, and target field is asset tag. Okay, that is just submit. The field map is scanned. Better you just use the mapping assist. Asset tag is there, so you just select the serial number, and the serial number from the asset tag is you can just search with. Yes, where is the serial number? Yes, that is serial number. We can get it. So its mapping has been completed. So currently we have only two fields, asset tag and serial number. So I just map those two fields, and let's save it. So now that we have the transfer map is ready, we have transfer map is ready, so we can map those to data source. So you can see there is you know we can map that to the data source. So we have to go back here. Okay, let's see. You can see the transfer map has been mapped to it. Let me just run it. So let me just run load all records. You can, for testing purpose, you can just for test 20 records whenever you are doing some huge number of data movement. But let me, we have just simple for testing purpose we are doing it. Let's me click on that load all data. So now it is being succeeded. Okay, so let me go to the loaded data. You can see this data has been loaded. Okay, and let me go to the import logs. Okay, these are the logs has been generated. Okay, and so if I go to any iset like the any set of data, you can see. Okay, so the loading of data has been completed. You can see that is all the state is pending. You can see the asset tag serial number is being present in this u underscore home asset list. So this is the transfer map. So it have the two fields I have mapped. So there are a couple of links you can see. There you can see a link that is transform. Just click on that. What it will do is it will transform the, you know, you can see select a transform map to the ALM asset table. Click on that transform. It will be transferring the data to the ALM asset table. So you can see the transformation is has been completed, and you can see this is the iset table. You can see that has been processed. Import sets is one. Import set rows, 4 rows has been affected, and target record. You can just click on that. It will be taking you to the ALM asset table, and data has been updated over here. So let me go to your ALM asset table, and let's see our data is present or not. Let's see. Let me put the condition created by today, sorry, created on today. So you can see all data has been processed. This is the asset tag. I just bring serial number. You can you can see serial number has been moved also. Those are the information has been stored in the Excel. So this is how you need to move the data from Excel to the ServiceNow table from any source using a transform map. You can do it, and you make use of some scripting and something to, if you have some logic to put from whatever manipulation you can do by using the transform script, you can do it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help you to work on service now. So please do like and subscribe the channel, and thank you. God bless you. Have a good day. Hello. So welcome back to my channel. So this is Rudra. I hope you guys doing very well. So in this video, we'll cover one part of the ServiceNow that is very famous and mostly used things in ServiceNow. So we'll do the